a major jolt to the domestic consumers, the Odisha Electricity Regulatory Commission on Saturday approved a proposal to hike power tariff in Odisha by 30 paisa per unit. The revised rates will be applicable from 4th April 2021. However, the Commission said that the tariff for consumers falling below poverty line and the irrigation consumers will remain unchanged. As per an official statement, the revision rates amount to 5.6% rise in overall retail supply tariff. OERC, however, stated that there will be no change in the monthly minimum fixed charge, demand charge, and meter rent. The revised charges suggest that for the first 50 units, the tariff will be Rs 3 per unit from the earlier rate of 2.70 rupees. For 51 to 200 units, the per unit charge has been increased to Rs 4.80 from the earlier rate of Rs 4.5. Similarly, for Rs 201 to 400 units, the revised rate is Rs 5.8, which was earlier Rs 5.5. Similarly, for 400 plus units, consumers will now have to pay Rs 6.2 per unit. The Electricity Regulatory Commission said that 2% rebate over and above normal rebate shall be allowed on the bill to the LT domestic and single-phase general purpose category of consumers who pay through digital means. This rebate shall be applicable on the current month bill if paid in full. Moreover, a 2% rebate shall be allowed to all prepaid consumers on prepaid amount. The electricity tariff for the state is determined annually by OERC for generation, transmission, supply and distribution utilities, taking into account their commercial viability and operational efficiency. During revision of the power tariff last year in October, the per unit charge were hiked by 20 paisa and the same was increased by 30 paisa more on Saturday. Bureau Report, OTV News.